Oh, fresh crabs, and they're still alive. May I see? Oh, oh. Huh? Would you buy this? Oh no, one walked away. Oh no, how do you catch the crab? No, it is gonna... Hey, is it gonna bite me? Huh? Oh, come on, it's leaving, it's leaving. Oh, there's a cat. The cat might... Wait, no! No,
That's why you put them in the supot so they don't escape. Unless under the stairs.
Oh. Oh, poor crabs. I don't want to cook them.
You're gonna get pinched.
No, it's not a pet. It's something to eat. We're just going to cook. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm right now in the Philippines, Manila, Philippines. We bought. My sister brought this all the way from Rojas City, Philippines. So we're gonna cook crabs, but I feel sorry for cooking them. So I don't know what recipe to cook. Oh well. So, any ideas on how to prepare the crab? Okay. I hope you don't get bitten, kitty. Huh? You see the crabs. Oh, come on. Don't go near. Come on. No. Better get out. Magandang hapon sa inyong tanan. No, these are real live crabs. Freshwater or saltwater? Saltwater crabs, yeah? Okay, it's Lent over here in the Philippines. That's why we're eating seafoods. Okay. Now, the next video, they're cooked already. I feel sorry, I don't know. Whoops. What?
Ay, sige. Makakalabas mo siya. Ding, oh. Buhay na buhay.